In this video, I want to show you how to create line of sight, also known as path profile in Global Mapper, just like the one on the screen. A line of sight refers to the path between 2 points considering the terrain elevation changes. So it involves examining the visibility between 2 points, revealing which portion of the surface along the line are visible or hidden from an observer. For instance, if an observer is here looking at this very point, so a line of sight examines which portion of the surface along the line are visible or hidden. So I'll show you how to do this in Global Mapper. So to do that, let's go to Global Mapper. In Global Mapper, we are going to make use of digital elevation model. And to do that, let's bring in our digital elevation model by clicking on Open Data File. Navigate to your folder where you have the digital elevation model, and this is my own. Click to select it and click on Open. Click Yes. Yes, this is my digital elevation model. Now, let's assume an observer is standing here and he wants to look across this river to this very hilly area and to another direction as well. So to draw the line of sight between 2 points or even multiple points, this is how to do it. Come to Tools and click on Path Profile / line of sight. Click on OK. So it has picked the tool to draw the path. So what you need to do is to draw the path along which you want to draw the line of sight. For instance, let's draw from here. Just click, move to another point, click. Let's click here, move to this point, move to this point, move to this point, click, move to this point. Let's assume you want to stop here. Then right click. So you can see the line of sight. Here is the line of sight between the various points we have selected. And one thing about it is, let's move it here. Let's move it a little bit. As you are moving your cursor along the line, just as I'm doing, if you look at the profile line or the sight line, you'll be seeing where you put your cursor on the profile line. You can see it. So let me bring it here. By expanding it, you can see as I'm moving my cursor along the profile, you can see the cursor also at different points along the profile line. You can see it. If I maximize it, so you'll be able to see it clearly. And another thing is, as I'm moving my cursor at each point, you can see the location coordinates, the elevation, and the distance from the starting point. Here is the starting point. You can see the coordinates, and here is the end point of sight, and you can see the coordinates. So as you are moving your cursor along the line, you can see information about the coordinates, the elevation, and the distance from the starting point along the profile line. Then another thing you can do, you can save this profile by clicking on File. Then you can save it in different formats. You can choose to save it in BMP. You can even save it as CSV file. For instance, let's save it as BMP. Click here, then navigate to your working folder and save it as, for example, line of sight, for instance, and click on Save. Then if you go to that folder, you can see it here. This is it. So you can double click to open to see it. This is it. So you can copy this into your document for further discussion. So let me close this. So, and other things you can do, you may choose to calculate the line of sight between 2 points. You can use this tool to do that. And you can also calculate the cut and fill volume and other things you can do here. So if you come to under calculate, you can see different parameters you can calculate, like line of sight, cut and fill volume. You can even create point feature at minimum and maximum elevation locations. So this is how to draw line of sight or path profile in Global Mapper. Thank you for watching.